Hello everyone, welcome back to our ethics series. Today we are going to learn about how attitudes are formed. From the moment we are born, we start learning from the people and the things around us, that is our family, friends, teachers and even media. All these experiences slowly shape our attitude, how we think, feel and behave. For example, if a child grows up in a loving home, he develops a positive attitude towards people. But if someone grows up hearing anger or negativity all the time, they may develop a defensive or negative attitude. Even our likes, like taste in food, can come from our genes. Some people naturally prefer spicy food, some like sweets more. Psychologists say that attitude is formed mainly through four processes, that is classical conditioning, instrumental conditioning, and observational learning and genetic factors. So let's understand each one with simple examples. Alright, first is classical conditioning, which simply means learning by association. Let me tell you a small story. There was a scientist named Pavlov. He noticed that when his dogs saw food, they started salivating. Then he rang a bell before giving them food. After some time, even if there was no food, just the sound of the bell made the dogs salivate because they had linked the bell with food. That's how our brain also forms links. For example, if a child always hears that teachers are nation builders, he grows up respecting teachers. But if a child constantly hears that community is bad, he may form prejudice even without meeting anyone from that group. So in simple words, classical conditioning means when we keep hearing or seeing two things together, our mind connects them and that connection builds our attitudes. Next is instrumental conditioning, which means learning through rewards and punishment. If you are rewarded for something, you will want to do it again. If you are punished or ignored, you will avoid it. For example, when a student studies hard and the teacher praises her, she starts enjoying studies. But if no one notices her effort, she might lose interest. It works the same in society. If honest officers are respected and rewarded, people learn that honesty pays. But if corrupt people become powerful, others may feel that corruption is okay. So, instrumental conditioning teaches us that what we reward, we repeat. That's how our positive or negative attitudes get stronger over a time. Now comes the third one, that is observational learning. This one is very simple. It means we learn by watching others. You don't always need someone to reward or punish you. You just observe and learn. For example, a younger brother sees his elder sister being praised for telling the truth, so he too start being honest. Or a student sees his friend getting scolded for cheating, so he avoids cheating even thought he never got caught himself. But it can also work in the wrong way also. If people see corrupt leaders getting richer, they might start believing that honesty doesn't work. That's why role models are very important in home, schools and public life. People copy what they see, not just what they are told. And finally, we have genetic factors. Now this means some attitudes or preferences may come from our genes, the natural things we are born with. For example, some people like spicy food, others like sweets. Some are naturally calm and others are more energetic or restless. These small differences come from our genes, but big attitudes like respect, equality, honesty or love for environment are not decided by genes. They are shaped by our upbringing, culture and life experiences. So yes, genes gives us a base, but it's our environment that shapes who we become. Right, I will stop here for today. In the next class, we will move on to another interesting part of attitude in ethics. Till then, take care and keep learning. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful. And see you in the next video.